People who've changed their gender say they're still suffering from abuse and ignorant attitudes in Wales.
Well, in 2008, there was a media frenzy when an American man announced he was pregnant. Thomas Beattie used to be a woman, but he managed to conceive a child after having a gender reassignment operation to become a man.
Well, at the time, it sent shockwaves around the world, but people who are going through the same thing here say it's not that unusual. They say many cases here go unreported because of the stigma surrounding the issue. Eslyd Carr reports.
Every time you go to fill out a form, it says on your birth certificate.
Kai D'Argenta is biologically a woman, but feels more like a man.
Things like changing rooms, gym changing rooms, school divisions and classes, anything like that, it tends to be very reinforced as there is male and there is female.
Kai, who's due to give birth in 2 months' time, is thinking about one day having medical treatment to become physically more like a man, but says it's not simply a choice between male and female.
I personally identify as trigendered, which is a comparatively rare one. Some days I consider myself mostly male, but also quite androgynous. I think of a small percent of myself as female, for example. So it's not entirely as simple as being like a man trapped in a woman's body.
The controversy 2 years ago around a transgender man who became pregnant in America is something Kai says hasn't necessarily helped those in a similar situation.
There's been plenty of other pregnant men, but they've not been public because they don't want to receive that negative publicity. So there's a lot of prejudice out there.
A survey carried out by the charity LGBT Excellence recently found 12% of young people in Wales identify themselves as transgender, and they've started a project to look at the issue more closely.
We often hear from young people that are questioning their gender, for example, without any protocol for them to go to and obtain that support.
Kai's parents can't accept that their daughter may prefer to live as a man, but Kai hopes that breaking down stereotypes about men and women will help transgender people become better understood. Eslyd Carr, Wales Tonight.
The National Assembly's